Today we're making bread and butter pudding, or just bread pudding. It's just a great recipe to make with kids. Hey everybody, this is Diana. I'm a content manager at Allrecipes. Still working from home, and my son Aris here is also home from school, of course. And we're doing a lot of baking together. We're calling this isolation baking. Aris here is already almost done buttering all of the bread. So I kind of created a little workstation for him here.
I did it.
You did it. Take each slice of bread and sprinkle both sides with sugar.
And cinnamon.
And cinnamon.
Yep.
There he goes. This guy loves cinnamon.
I love to put so much cinnamon.
So now what we can do is add
The raisins.
the raisins. That's right. Let's save some for the next layer, okay?
Why?
Because we have another layer. It's like building a building.
Why?
Aris is finishing up the second layer. We have 3 pieces of bread left. As you can see here, we've got our first layer done. And we sprinkled it with raisins. Now we've got these 3 pieces of bread left, and that's our last layer. And then we can move on to the milk and the eggs. Okay, so now we have to crack the eggs. We are using 2 eggs. We're gonna blend it up.
No
Oopsie.
shell?
Yeah, no shell. Whoa. Good job though, no shell. Now, I'm gonna use goat milk because I personally
Love goat milk?
I love goat milk. I can't really have cow milk. Okay, there we go. Let's stop right there.
Can I drink a little bit?
No, I don't think you want to drink this milk. We're gonna add this to the bread. There we go. Good job, Addie. This is gonna be one amazing bread pudding. So this is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna bake this for I think it's about 30 minutes or so, and we'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, Aris went down for a nap. He was really tired. So I put the bread pudding in the oven, and it's been baking for about 40 minutes, and I think it's ready to go. So let's take a look. There you go. So it springs back when touched, and it's basically like baked French toast, isn't it? It smells gorgeous, has a really nice crispy top thanks to all that sugar that Aris added at the very end. It's just a great recipe to make with kids. So let us know what you did by leaving a review and a photo on the recipe. And thanks for joining us.